Hi, I'm Amy on A Lolly Life, and today we are dealing with a screw that is stripped out on the door frame. I have two of them, one right here and one right here, and I was fixing the door and it had kind of popped loose, and part of the reason it popped loose was because two of them are stripped out. Like the wood is, there's not enough wood in there. And so there are a couple of things that you can do to fix this problem. And the first one, hold on, moving this over. The first one is toothpicks. Toothpicks and screws. This is what you need. Okay, here's what you do. You take a toothpick and you shove it in the hole. There's a fat end of the toothpick and a skinny end, and I usually use the fat end because it has slightly more wood. Yeah, I'm gonna shove two of them in the hole. Now, I'm gonna take my screw and I'm just gonna stick it in the hole also with the two toothpicks that are shoved in the hole. So obviously it doesn't fit. And now I'm gonna just screw it in. And as I do that, ta-da, tight. There you go. That's how you fix it. So, top one, so we'll do it again. This top one is stripped out. So we have our screw. I'm gonna shove a couple of toothpicks in the hole, and then this one's a little tighter. I might not need to. We'll see. Anyway, then I'm gonna just kind of position the screw so that it will also go in the hole, and just kind of muscle it into the correct position. And the toothpicks give it just enough extra wood to tighten down. And you can just pop those off. And just like that, it is tight. Ta-da! And they are fixed! Just like that! And so, this is today's episode of Lolly Life was brought to you by Toothpicks. I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.